You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Veteran Nollywood actress Oniga took to her Instagram page to pray against death on what is dear to popular actress and filmmaker Funke Akindele. Sharing a photo of Funke Akindele, the mom of twin boys who will be 1 year older in a few days, Oniga wrote, the mother of two, Funke, likewise shared photos of herself on her page with the caption, since then, the shared photos have prompted reactions from fans as well as colleagues in the movie industry. Check out some reactions.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.